So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to run your backend as a service on Railway, and basically we will be using Supabase. So I'll come here to the template and then search Supabase. So this is the template. It deploys at least 7 services for this. So okay, to begin with, we have this, the GoTrue out. So this is basically the URL of your front end. So we do not have this, so I'll just follow this instruction and use that for testing. We need other variables here, the Supabase JWT secret. This is important. It says to set Supabase, you need to generate a JWT secret service and unknown key. Use the JWT generator, copy the JWT secret, generate an unknown service JWT and paste their values into their respective environmental variables. You can set this value to anything. Please let's come here. So you click on this URL, you're getting this instruction. So we pick this as our JWT secret, paste it here, and then we need the unknown key and the service key. So yeah, this is the unknown key. We generate basically what we do is we are trying to generate a secret, a token that is signed using this JWT secret. So I'll generate this. That is good. This is the unknown key. So unknown key right here. The Supabase service key, I'll just change this to this and then I'll generate. So I hope that's generated. I'll copy that here, and those are the variables that we need. So the other services that comes with this are already configured and ready to be deployed. So we just need to configure this, which I've said is the front-end URL. In case you have a front-end that you want to connect to the Supabase and do some authentication, you have that URL here. And then this is the JWT secret. You can use it here and here, and the Supabase unknown key and the service key. Or we have other variables that are configured here, like the port and all that. And then yeah, we can deploy this. Take some time to deploy all the services. Just give it a few minutes. Yeah, so these are the authentication, the studio, the Postgres, the Kong, the Supabase Realtime, and all these will be available. we're waiting for these two services. Progress is great so far. We just refresh this. The Postgres is still deploying the database part of it. Yeah, so it's deployed. I'll show you how to access this, the studio itself. So right here on the variables, you should be able to see this, the Supabase public URL. Copy this value, paste it here. You should be able to see the username and the password requested. You can get that from the com service, this one. So we're using for the username. I'll copy this, and of course the password. Right there. Let me save this, and we have the studio ready right here. I can create a table. Create a table. We'll call it customers. And then the description is optional. So I don't want to, we want to test this thing. So I'll add a column here, call it first name, and I'll use a var character for this. I'll add a column, last name, var character for this. Then I'll save. Then we have our table ready. We can test it. Just want to test this on Postman. So I'll copy. This is my base URL. I'm not using a frontend for now. So my base, this is something else I was testing. So my base URL, you can see I'm deleting up to here. And then we have REST v1 and then customers. So you have to set the headers. So for this API key, let's just pick it from here. Where's the studio? Right here. So this is the unknown key that you use right there. For the API key, that's the unknown key. And then also for the authorization, this will be a bearer token, and the token will be the unknown key as well. Then let's send it. So it says the customers does not exist, that table, but it's already hitting our APIs. So let's just check this. So our table is in caps. Sorry for that. So customers. So it's empty. I'll just add I'll just insert a row for testing, row 2. I'll save, I'll insert another, and save it. And now back to here, I'll send my request, and we get this. So ideally you could do the other functionality that Supabase has to offer, and you'll have the entire environment hosted right here on Railway app, and we are using this self-hosting, but you do not have to worry about any other thing, because Railway provides for you a template. I think that is it, and